Hello Tech Genius, I am Ravi. Have you ever imagined a place where learning is as dynamic as the technology shaping your world? Then here's a deal. With iMatix, you can make sure the learning is exciting, impactful right from the beginning. You have interactive sessions with expert-led courses. In the world of tech, from data science to cloud computing, it's not just about a session, it's about doing, building, learning by solving real problems. So let's get started. All active employees. The second one. Copy this report and remove all the dependent fields and name it as a one reporter in place of copy, just to name completely copy. You are in. We are getting a slower. It's automatically switched. Some report. All active employees. Not completely. Just do Ctrl G just in the place of copy. Give a way of going. This should be removed right in some filter. This one completely. If you come down, you will be seeing him. Filter, if you come down in this thing, a more option of entire filter. Prompt and remove the prompt as well. You see anything in a filter. That column depending on the penance. Since you are removing the penance and go to columns, come down. Now click on. Now we have a report which you can attach to open your working another tab if you can duplicate this one. About all active employees outbound kind of thing. Once you actually get into AV, this is the page that you're going to see. You get data, transform and deliver. These are the three options that you'll still see for outbound also. Yesterday you were seeing for inbound and you're seeing for this for outbound as well, because get data, transform and deliver are the three phases that you are going to do for all the equations. Now go to the get data. Here you will be given the source of your report, source of your data for the integration. If you click on data source type, you'll be seeing what type of data sources that are there for integration. You can see custom report and web services. These are the two types of data sources that you can attach to. But why we are selecting the custom report and why mostly the custom report is selected is because you can limit the data however you want it to have. Let's say if your business is reaching out to you and have given get me all the employees who are active, who are enrolled to the specific plan. They're asking specific details. You are able to filter with all active employee data source and you're able to add the required fields and make a report. Attach that report to the CIB where you are getting the actual data, whatever that was requested. But if you are choosing web service call, there is some worker related web services is there. If you're selecting web services, you'll be getting huge amount of data irrespective of active, terminated or other employee status. Irrespective of that, you'll be getting complete because web service is nothing but which will be holding all the data and you'll be not able to filter or limit the data from the web service. And also you cannot do any kind of calculations. If you wanted to tweak the data in custom report, you can create a calculated fields. But through web service, you'll be not able to create calculated fields. That's the reason why mostly we will not be using web service for any of data integration from EIB to any external system. We'll mostly select custom report as a data source because custom report would be a kind of option where we can actually create calculated fields. Select the field that we wanted to have, add related business objects, add the fields and related business object. Anything that we can do in a custom report and get the data however we wanted to have and attach that report to EIB Outbound with which we can have, with which we'll be able to integrate the data through EIB. Now select the custom report and find that report that you have created, copied. Can I click on Next? Transform, click on Transform. Here you will be selecting which transformation type that you wanted to have, whether you wanted to go with custom transformation, custom report transformation. And when you're creating for the first time, you'll be selecting a new custom report transformation. These are the two transformations that we have if you wanted to transform the data. Now don't need to select anything, just click on None and go further. Deliver, go to Deliver. This is where you're integrating data from one system to another system. Delivery method. These are the delivery options that you have to send the data to external system. Through Amazon Simple Storage service that you can send, you need to have bucket details. Amazon, just click on that one. You'll need to have bucket details, region access ID secret key to integrate the data to EIB storage system. You'll be provided with all these details you'll be entering, and your data will be sent to this bucket. You'll be getting bucket details and all your data will be sent to these details if you are allowed to send data to S3 bucket. And similarly, sell FTP or FTP. Select SFTP, anything should work. If you wanted to send data to any FTP location, you'll be provided with FTP address with username, password and the directory. They will be provided with that information. When you enter all these details and run the integration, your integration will be sending file to this FTP address. Whatever you will be adding here to this FTP address, your file will be sent. Now, since we don't have any of these details, what we'll do is we'll do as birthday attachment. If you see the last option called birthday attachment, which will be generating output file now. The first integration that we're going to run is without any transformation, without any kind of custom transmission or custom report transmission. We are trying to know how we can generate output file. The first file will be running in a standard format that Workday provides, which is an XML format. When you're generating file in different format, that file extension has to be added to your EIB. What you can add Anjana in a file name? You can add the file name as TestXML. XML is extension that looks for the file formatting. Because you're not adding any kind of transformation now, the default output format would be in XML. And that's the reason why you're adding file extension as XML. Click on Next and run the integration. Click. Now go to the related actions of EIB. Launch integration. Integration, come down to integration. Now we are running the integration. Now we are running the integration. The output will be in XML format. Go to the top and refresh. There is a refresh button. if you not click this, actually if you cancel, you already have this one actually. Cancel. In the search bar eyepieces, give the name of your AA. You already have this. Go to the image. Come out of this. You already have the integration on your screen. Go to the related actions. Go to the related integration system. Events, integration events. The first one, click on. See, the one that we ran has got completed. Click on that integration event. Click on that integration event. Is there right? Click on that hyperlink below. Click on that. This is how you know once you run the integration, it will be completing. You will be seeing integration details, process info process. No, go little up. Not down, go little up. You are seeing multiple tabs here. Process info, process history, output files, messages, child process. Output file will be having your output file. Click on child process. Click on child process. You will be seeing the steps that has taken throughout this integration. You can see integration event has triggered and retrieval. Data got retrieved from the report and it completed successfully. View all 8 child services, is there right? Just click on that one. View all 8 child processes. You can see the complete steps that has taken when integration was running. If you come down from there, it has started. Integration has completed and data has got retrieved. And these are the 8 steps that has taken when it was running. Go to the other tab where you can see messages. Go back, click on back arrow. Can I click here? Clicking back arrow. Click. Just a second. Message. You can see in messages, you'll be seeing what is the size of the data source. And the file that has got retrieved from the custom report, what is the total size of the data source? And it will be saying the output file is now available in the output file. Go to the output file. Go to the output files. You can download the test XML. This is the output of the integration. Go back. You are not able to download that. Go back. Go to the output file. Get the test small. Should I simply click? Right. You're not able to download that. You should be able to download that. The file has got downloaded. Open the file. The downloaded one right. Should I use Office XML and open this? Since the file is XML, it will be opening in XML only. Or if it is not, just select the edge also. Select edge also. Select edge also. Microsoft Edge is there, right? You can select that as well. Oh, it's here. It's taking time. It's loading. When you have your ABI without any kind of transformations, and when you're running with XML as a kind of file extension, your file will be opening in XML format, which you'll be seeing now. It just asks me like the page is not responding and should wait, or it should say the page. It's not opening. 3 times. What you can do is you can close this one, and wherever you have downloaded the file, open it now. That would be easy. Open in Notepad. Just a second. Close this one and the file has got downloaded, right? Go to the file and right click open in Notepad. Try just a second. Try to paint. Right. Is it visible? It will take time. Just now open that. The expand. I have one note. What is that? Same name. It's not visible. I have opened. This is the XML file that you're seeing, which ABI has completed. You can see our data is there, but it's hard to understand how the data is populating here. It's very hard to understand the data, but this is a default format of a Workday or Gone integrations. Any integration you take, this is the default output format of Workday. Very hard to understand what it is actually returning, but some systems will be able to accept the file in the same format, and some systems will not be accepting. And that is the reason why we do a transformation from this format to Excel CSV text format. These are the format that we'll be doing. Now close this file and go back to ABI. We'll do on file transformation. Close this one. Go to ABI integration details. Integration details. The first tab you're seeing integration details. This one, right? I'm on that page. Integration details. Integration details. Integration system. Integration system, the third one. Integration system. You're coming down on top only, you'll be seeing integration system. Go little up. Where can you please help, like integration details. If you come little down, parent event, integration event and integration system. You're seeing that right. Integration system, the third one. You're coming completely down. You're not seeing. You're here, right? Just click on that one. Sorry, should I click on that? Click on that. Now go to related access of this. Now we are going to transform, or without transformation, how you can actually change the file formatting. Go to the fourth option, Enterprise Interface. Fourth option, you're seeing right, Enterprise Interface. Fourth option, Enterprise Interface. Let's move it. Enterprise Interface. I have to click on. Go to Get Data. Details, click on the Details arrow button. Is that right? Click on that. You're seeing here alternate output format. You can select CV. Go to Deliver. Change the file extension testsample to test as. Now click on Next and run the integration again. Now we have not used any transformation here. Without any transformation, you're able to transform the data from XML to CSV. Click on. Go to Related Access and run edit. Go to Related Access. You can run the EAD. Integration. Come down. Integration. Launch. Click on. You will be seeing refresh button. Just click on it. This is one of the options without any kind of transformation. You can transform the file format from XML to any other format. Just click on again refresh. It won't take this much time. Open the file. Go to the output file and open the file. You can see the file has got generated in CSV format. Here, in order to generate that in a CSV format, we have not done any kind of accessibility work. We have not done any kind of custom report transformation work. We have just chosen alternate output format from the data source. That without any kind of transformation, your output file will be generated in a way that you want it to have. But there is certain limitation there. You have only few options there. You cannot take any of the type that you wanted to have. You only have few CSV, JSON and XML kind of. Only few options are there. You need to choose only those options for output file. This is one of the way of generating output in a different format without any kind of transformation. This one mostly no one is aware. I think it should be your own kind of decision when you are wanting to integrate the data through this option. Without any kind of transformation, without any kind of accessibility, there is a way that you can generate output in a way that you wanted to have in Excel, in JSON, in XML format, and this is how we will be generating. This is one of the option of transforming the data without any kind of end of transformation models in EIB. Now we will try to generate output in a text format with custom report transformation. That is one of the important and mostly used transformation model called custom report transformation. Go to EIB and select the transformation type and then go back to your EIB. Integration details, integration system. Keep on that integration system. Reductions enterprise interface, edit. Now, since we are selecting a transformation now, we do not want another file format that is doing. Go to the data and remove that CSV that you have added. Go to the details and remove that CSV. Click on details arrow. That CSV. Just keep it as blank. Select the first one, select one, is there right? Select that one. Now go back to transform. Select custom report, new custom report transformation. Click on next. Here not to be save anything. No, you can actually give text. Click on next. Click on. Now, since we have given text format, we need to transform, do a kind of configuration to generate output file in a text format. Go to relay directions. Since we have selected a transformation type as custom report transformation, we will be getting an option to configure. Go to enterprise interface. You see here configure transformation. When you select your custom report transformation, this option will get enabled and you will be able to do this one. You are seeing the delimiter right. What delimiter that you wanted to have in your data, whether it is comma or anything. You know that you can specify here. You can actually mention pipe here, pipe. Remove that comma and give enter pipe. What should I give? Pipe delimiter, enter pipe. PE, right? No, pipe delimiter. If you see your keyboard, the button on the top of your enter enters. You see pipe. The line will be there. No, do the shift, enter that button. This is pipe actually. This will be a delimiter which will be coming in the output file. Come down. Your text file will be now pipe delimited. You have an option to change your column names also here. If you wanted to change the column names, you can change your column names. And what you can do is you can remove those columns. Double quotes are there for each column. Remove those double quotes. Each column, go ahead and remove them. You don't want to have double quotes to be coming in the output file. Similarly, go to worker. There's another field worker. Similarly, remove for all the fields and those double quotes. You can Now you have selected your transformation as custom report transformation where your specified pipe as a delimiter for a text format. Now click on Done. Go to EIB and run that EB. Can I click on? Click. Go to the output file. Go to the output file and open the root file. Click on that. You can see the output file which has got generated in a text format with pipe as a delimiter. This is one of the way of this is mostly used output file format from the vendors CSV, and test pipe delimiter is one of the mostly required output file formats. And this is how we will be generating output files either through CSV without any output, or even CSV can generate from custom report transformation as how we are generating text as pipe delimiter. You can also generate file in CSV format. You can just give .csv as a kind of extension, and in custom report transformation you will be giving comma as a delimiter instead of pipe that your file will be generated in a CSV format. This is one of the way of generating output in a text format with custom report translation. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.